Hello kids, let's learn number name and color name. Light green color, red color, purple color, is pink color, yellow color, orange color, black color, blue color, sky blue color, gray color, pink color, brown color, dark green color, red color. Number 1, purple color. 2, brown color. 3, is pink color. 4, dark green color. 5, yellow color. 6, orange color. 7, pink color. 8, black color. 9, light green color. 10, blue color. 11, sky blue color. 12, red color. 13, purple color. 14, brown color. 15, peach pink color. 16, dark green color. 17, yellow color. 18, orange color. 19, pink color. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.